Welcome back to TakTik, and today we're actually looking at the Scorpion EVO A3 HPA. We've installed a short stroke piston, and now we're basically short stroke trigger, sorry. And now we're actually going to be testing feeding functions with the mags on 28s, running off of a Ninja LPR V2. We're just testing the semi and burst functions for now. Remember, this gun actually has a bolt stop function, so whenever the mag is empty, it will actually stop, and then you will have to physically manipulate the bolt catch for it to continue functioning. Alright, go ahead, Chris. So that's the first mag out. Bolt catch is installated. Mag. That was the Scorpion EVO A3 with the HPA system set up, and this was Gabriel and Chris signing out.